Creating branded visuals for every post is exhausting, especially when your feed needs to stay fresh. Agent Auto's graphic generator lets you crank out scroll-stopping designs fast. Okay, so let's take a look at how it works. You can either scroll down and go to Graphics Generator, or click on the menu in Graphics Generator. From here, you're presented with some options, but first let's talk about these settings. What's cool is that this works out of a spreadsheet that makes it really easy. These templates for each type of pillar post are completely customizable. Anything you can create in Photoshop, Illustrator, we will rebuild into our template creator. And then each one of these represents a pillar of content. This is really great because it makes it very easy. For example, to add quotes, you can very quickly add 10 quotes in here. There are certain fields that are marked by the orange that actually mean you don't have to fill them out. The blue ones you have to, and then you can actually add AI images, AI hashtags for the entire spreadsheet. Each one of these rows is effectively a post, and if you have one row of each, you are ready to schedule, not just make, but schedule your entire week of content. If you have 10 rows in here, you can click 10 rows over here, and you can actually schedule your next 10 weeks. All right, well, let's see it in action. The first thing I'm going to show you is a way to test before you actually schedule these out. You might have put some things in here. Let's go back with quotes. We're going to process this one from Ginny. So if I go in here and I click this, all I need to do is say, let's go auto. So within a minute, look at that. I got a text message. I can also go over to the results and take a look at what was produced. We should have a nice picture here of Ginny. There we go. And you'll see it's actually cropped. It's put her quote perfectly within that box, and so on and so forth. So incredibly powerful. Once we've run our test, we are now ready to process a week of content. So once you're ready to go, you just come back here, and all you need to do is click how many rows you want to process. Typically one row is 1 week's worth of content, and then just click Let's Go Auto. So within a couple of minutes, you'll get a text message alert that it's been done. You'll also be able to find the results on the results page. Now let's take a look at what they look like. Then what you can do is click on Process Results, and you will see a quick spreadsheet just as a way to quickly check that they all look good. But let's also take a look at our scheduling platform. And here you see every post, and what's more is we've got hashtags. We've also got our signature there, which leads people back to our link in bio. And so that's about it. Look, generic visuals won't grow your brand, and wasting hours on Canva is not the answer. Hit publish with confidence using Graphics Generator and let Auto do the heavy lifting.